This video will demonstrate how to get started with the new GoMax Smart Vision Accelerator. GoMax is a plug-and-play device made to accelerate data processing of your GoCater smart sensor without the need of a PC or controller. GoMax features an embedded NVIDIA Jetson TX2 module with a 64-bit quad-core ARM processor and 256 GPU cores. When you receive your GoMax unit, check that all of the following components are included: a power supply and cord, 2 DIN rail brackets, and 4 screws. On 4 sides of the housing, there are mounting holes for DIN rail brackets. This allows for fixturing to cabinets and racks. When mounting, position the GoMax in this orientation. Note that the fan intake is on the bottom and that the fan outtake is on the top. For this setup, a gigabit switch is required. Plug the switch to AC power and connect an Ethernet cable to your computer. To connect your sensor to the system, plug the connector to a master network controller. This can be a master 100, 810, or 2410, depending on the number of sensors. Plug the Ethernet cable to the gigabit switch. The sensor is now connected to the system. Finally, the GoMax unit can be added. Connect the power supply connector to the GoMax unit and plug the adapter into a power outlet. Insert the Ethernet cable into the port labeled ETH1. You must connect the GoMax to a sensor system through the same gigabit switch that the sensor is connected to. On the computer, launch the internet browser and navigate to 192.168.1.6. This is the default IP address of your GoMax. The GoMax web interface is displayed. Users that have experience with the GoCater will notice that the UI elements look very familiar to the GoCater web interface. Under the Manage panel, the Sensor System tab shows the sensors that are visible on the network and are available to be accelerated. If you wish to change the IP address, click the Networking tab. Under Interface 1, set the IP address and click Save. The GoMax unit will restart. After this is complete, its IP address has changed. Use this new IP address to access the unit. The third tab, Maintenance, allows you to upgrade the firmware of GoMax, factory restore, and reset the unit. The dashboard panel shows basic health information on the GoMax unit: uptime, CPU usage, memory usage, and more. To accelerate a sensor, connect to the GoMax web interface using the unit's IP address. Under the Sensor System tab, click the toggle to the right of the sensor you wish to accelerate. The sensor is now accelerated. To access an accelerated sensor, click on the sensor's serial number to the left. The sensor's web interface then opens in a new tab on your web browser. Visit our website lmi3d.com for the full GoMax user manual and other support documentation.